In recent months, you may have heard more and more talk about gold, especially if you've been keeping an eye on the markets or the news. But why is gold suddenly back in the spotlight? And why should retirees be paying attention? Well, let's talk about why now is a critical moment for anyone nearing retirement or already enjoying their golden years. Inflation is climbing. The stock market is unpredictable. And in the midst of all this uncertainty, your retirement savings are on the line. We've seen the headlines: inflation at a 40-year high. Stock market volatility continues. Even President Trump, in recent interviews, has warned that Americans need to start thinking about protecting their wealth from these forces. And here's the kicker: it's not just talk, it's real. Here's the big problem. While many traditional retirement plans like IRAs and 401ks are tied to stocks and bonds, these assets don't always perform well when the economy gets rocky. And right now, we're seeing that firsthand. The last thing you want is for your hard-earned money to lose value in times like these. So what can you do about it? That's where gold comes in. Historically, gold has been a reliable hedge against economic uncertainty. When inflation rises and markets falter, gold tends to hold its value or even increase. Why? Because unlike paper money, gold isn't subject to the same risks. It's a tangible asset that has proven its worth over time. But here's where it gets interesting. While gold has always been a solid choice, the modern solution for retirees isn't just holding gold in a physical form. You may have heard of a gold IRA, a self-directed IRA that allows you to invest in physical gold or other precious metals. This is a smart way to diversify your portfolio and protect yourself from the risks of inflation and market downturns. But here's the thing: not all gold IRAs are created equal. Some companies might charge you excessive fees, or worse, try to sell you overpriced gold. That's why it's so important to work with a trusted partner. Now, I'm going to tell you something that could change the way you think about your financial future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth from the unpredictable future, I've got a free gold IRA guide and consultation just for you. This isn't for everyone. It's for serious retirees who've worked hard to build their retirement and want to preserve it for the next generation. The guide includes everything you need to know about gold IRAs, and the best part? You get a complimentary, no-obligation call where we'll discuss your specific financial situation. I'll help you figure out if a gold IRA is the right choice for you. And if it's not, no hard feelings. Just solid advice with no sales pressure. We won't try to sell you any gimmicks, like free silver or anything like that. It's all about giving you the education you need to make an informed decision about your future. You've worked too hard to build your wealth, and the time to protect it is now. Don't let the forces of inflation, volatility, and uncertainty erode your savings. Take control and start by getting your free guide today. And remember, this is an educational call, not a sales pitch. We'll talk, explore your options, and see if a gold IRA makes sense for you. But you don't have to do anything unless you feel it's the right move. It's all about your future. And we'll be here, ready to guide you every step of the way. Take the first step now and secure your wealth for tomorrow.